Look, I'm sorry I cannot give you now. I'm not the Minister of Finance anymore, and I'm getting old. But I was recently asked a question, and I said, look, with our debt capacity payment this year, the priority in our budget, which is why we labeled it under the budget statutory payment. We first deduct the payment for our debts, because in the debts you'll find the dignity of the leaders of this country infused in the debt. So we should never fail in our debt obligation. Then after meeting the debt liability, what is left is to meet the current expenditure to ensure that the government never stops. You know, in America, sometimes they close down shop because they run out of money. Here we make damn sure that the government should never be short. And after deducting that, meeting our debts, we still have monies to meet our ongoing obligations to ensure that the government works smoothly. And we still had a huge balance of over 100 million to pay for our development, because it is very important in developing your budget expenditure every year. You must always have enough to develop, because with development expenditure, your GDP is assured to go up, not down.